What's up YowFam, Yowawerts here, back for another awesome DIY invention. Now in this video, I'll be showing you how to make this fun cardboard shootout game which is Minecraft themed. It may be simple, but it's pretty exciting to play around. Before we get started though, I would like to give a massive shout out to these creative YowFam who made their own versions of my previous DIYs. To Jason Sierra, who made this coin-operated candy machine and this marble maze game. And to Mahek for creating this squishy pizza. Thank you so much for sharing with us your creativity. If you guys also want me to display your DIYs, feel free to DM me on Instagram and send a picture of your creation which you made from my videos. It really makes me happy seeing you guys being creative, so I hope I can encourage you to keep sharing your inventions with the rest of the YowFam. Okay, I think I've already said enough. Let's begin crafting. The first thing I made was the stand for the targets. I cut out cardboard pieces and formed them like so to make a small blocky hill where the targets will be placed. Once that was done, I then proceeded to building the shooter. This shooter is operated with rubber band, so its power and range depend on how much tension there is. If you want more power, simply tighten it or add more rubber bands. I then made this Minecraft helmet to act as the top cover, which fits well for the shooter and I think it looks really cool. For the targets, I printed Minecraft's bad guys such as the zombie, the creeper, and the skeleton. There are more Minecraft villains which I wasn't able to include, but you can include them in yours if you're making this arcade game as well. Now to make the target stand, I simply glued the pieces to a thin stiff cardboard and cut them out. I then cut out small cardboard squares and glued the targets onto these pieces. Once that's done, all that's left to do is paint and design. For the stand, I decided to paint the entire piece with black. After the paint dried, I glued these printed nether blocks onto it to add details and also make it more appealing. For the shooter, I colored its helmet sky blue as if it were a diamond helmet and painted a Steve face. Once the paint dried, this cardboard shootout game is basically done and ready for play. So that's it, YowFam. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please click the thumbs up, and if you haven't, please subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.